Hello everyone and welcome to Crowdin. In this short video, we're going to show you how to integrate Crowdin and Dyspatch. Integrating Crowdin and Dyspatch allows you to seamlessly translate your email drafts with Crowdin. Just upload your drafts for translation and download the translated ones back to Dyspatch in just a few clicks. Let me show you how that works. To integrate Crowdin and Dyspatch, you'll need to have a Crowdin Enterprise or Crowdin.com account and an already created Crowdin project. So first, we're going to install the app by visiting the Crowdin Marketplace. In the search bar, let's type in Dyspatch. Then click Install. To start the integration process, let's go to our Crowdin project. Then click Integrations. From the list of available apps, let's find Dyspatch. Click it. Now we need to connect our Crowdin account with Dyspatch. For that, we need an API key. So let's switch to Dyspatch and get one. From the drop-down menu, let's choose Administration. Then API Keys. Generate API key. You need to name it. And click Generate Key. Then copy it and paste it into our integration form. And we're ready to log in. Now we're on the integration screen. On the right are all my email drafts in Dyspatch, and on the left are only ones that I have already requested translation for. To upload email drafts to Crowdin for translation, just simply select them on the Dyspatch side, and then click Sync to Crowdin. Now I'm ready to order professional translation for my content, or I can have an automated Crowdin workflow configured to order translations whenever I synchronize new content to my project. I can see the translation progress in the status bar. When the translations are ready, to synchronize the translated drafts back, just simply select them and then click Sync to Dyspatch. Now let's return to Dyspatch to check out our translated drafts. Let's choose French. So this is my email draft translated to French. It looks pretty good. And that's it. Now you know how to integrate Crowdin and Dyspatch. But there is a lot more to discover, like automatic synchronization. With Crowdin's vast area of features, you can efficiently translate your content into many different languages. Find a link in the description to start your free Crowdin trial. Thanks for watching.